Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramandeep and welcome back after such a long time. Alright guys, so in today's video I would be talking about a new product. As you must have read in the caption that this is a newly launched product by K Beauty, and I'm going to talk about that. But before going further with the video, I would really request you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because on this channel I give all the product reviews time to time, the newly launched reviews उनका मैं रिव्यू करती हूँ न्यूली लॉन्च प्रोडक्ट्स का, एंड समटाइम्स ब्लॉग भी करती हूँ, एंड मैनी टाइम्स मेकअप वीडियोस भी इस चैनल पे आते हैं. सो अगर आप मेकअप फील्ड से हैं, मेकअप लाइक करते हैं, बिगनर्स हैं, या न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं आपको पसंद आते हैं और आप उनको उनके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं. फॉलो मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम एज वेल. आई एम रियली वेरी एक्टिव ओवर देयर. Like I wasn't for few months, but now I would be really very active on my Instagram as well. So yes, do follow me over there also to get the day-to-day update of some of the makeup products and daily life. Alright, let's go further with the video. Today I would be talking about this newly launched product that is from K Beauty. This is their blush. Now recently K Beauty by Katrina Kaif, they have launched their blushes like few days back only, and they have 8 shades in the blushes, and my god, all the shades are really very pretty. बहुत ही सोच समझ के शेड्स जो हैं वो बनाए गए हैं के ब्यूटी में. लाइक देयर आर कोरल शेड्स, देयर आर पीची शेड्स, देयर आर पिंक शेड्स, देयर आर न्यूड शेड्स. ईच शेड विल कॉम्प्लीमेंट देयर स्किन टाइप्स. लाइक कोई भी स्किन टाइप हो, आपकी स्किन टाइप को केटर करेंगे के ब्यूटी के ब्लशेस. ये ब्लश मैंने खुद से ख़रीदा है, कोई पीआर में नहीं आया है. सो माई रिव्यू वुड बी लाइक एन ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, हाउ आई हैव लाइक्ड इट, how much I have liked it, and the quality of this product. Alright, so it comes up in this kind of packaging. I will be talking about packaging first. It comes up in this kind of packaging. It is a color coded packaging, and here is the name of the blush, and on the back of it there are all the details like manufacturer, expiry and everything. On the front side it's written matte blush enriched with avocado and mango butter, and the net content is 8.5 grams. This one retails for 799 rupees, and if you would have purchased it on the first day when it was launched, it was on 10% discount. I have purchased on that day only. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. There's a little white thing on it. That's because I have sanitized this product, because I always sanitize whenever whenever I get the product. I always keep in mind to sanitize everything. Okay, so this was the outer packaging of the blush, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. A very beautiful rose gold type kind of covering. This is the top of the blush, and then you have a bottom part. This is a color coded bottom part, and very nice. Like whatever shade, कोई भी जो आपका shade है उसके color coded है. तो अगर आपने इनको blushes को, if you have kept the blushes like this, you can easily make out which blush it is without checking out or without searching for the name of the blush. So this is the topmost covering, and this is the lower part of it. Again, on the back everything in detail has been mentioned. The price has not been mentioned, but the expiry date is there. It's the shelf life of the product is around 3 years, which is like really very good. I was impressed when I saw that the product shelf life is almost 3 years. And the shade which I have is sweet salmon, because out of 8 shades I just thought this shade would be this shade would complement my skin type. And this is how the inner blush looks like. This is how the inner blush looks like. You have a blush plate, and then you have a full size mirror. Mirror आपको every time if you want to reapply the blush or do any kind of makeup, this is a very nice mirror, very clear mirror, I must say. And it gets clean also if you clean it with your fingers. And yeah, this is how the inner blush looks like. Very nice, beautiful pan and beautiful shade as well. So yes guys, तो ये तो बात थी इसकी पैकेजिंग की. Now coming on to the quality of the product. The product is a very beautiful. I mean, I don't have words to describe you how this blush is. It's like beautiful blush. It blends seamlessly on your skin. Like for example, I'll give you a live demo. I'll take a little bit of blush. I'll just apply it on the cheeks, and you can see that very seamlessly it gets it gets blend on your skin like this. And the pigmentation is also very good. Like you don't have to reapply the blush again and again. It is having such a pigmentation that only like 1-2 swipes you will get a color on your cheeks, and then you can blend it according to your choice. If you want to blend it like this with the nose, or you want to blend it like this with the cheeks, like defining your cheekbones. Whatever way you want to blend the blush on your cheeks, you can do it. And regarding the transferability of this blush, it does not get transfer a little bit. It just does not get transfer at all. Like if you sleep, if on your pillows or anywhere, if you'll touch if you'll touch it with the tissue as well, it will not get transfer. Now in all, I would really like to tell you that this blush is like a beautiful paisa vasool kind of blush. The price of this blush is $7.99, as I have mentioned earlier. I was little skeptical that for 799 rupees should I buy this blush, but after checking out the quality of this blush, I am really very impressed guys. For 799 rupees ये बहुत अच्छी investment है. And to be very honest, after buying this blush, I have an eye on 1 or 2 shades more. Like I want to buy it right now. I will not purchase it. I'll wait for some sale to happen so that I could buy some more shades as well. I have an eye on 3 shades. One is the pink shade, a dark pink shade. One is a nudish kind of a sugar baby. Yes, I want to buy that blush. That is in my bucket list, to buy another blush of Kay Beauty. So in all guys, I would really give this blush 9 out of 10. I am deducting 1 point just because of the price point. 799 for some people can be really a high amount. I have invested in this blush and मतलब मुझे बिल्कुल ठीक लग रहा है आफ्टर चेकिंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ दिस ब्रश. मेरे को ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि मैंने पैसे जो हैं अपने वेस्ट करे हैं. कीपिंग अप टू the quality and the quantity of the product is also very good. See the covering, like इतना luxurious लगता है ये blush, बहुत ही प्यारा, very nice. If you keep it in your vanity, even if you are doing a makeup and you have kept this blush in front of you, it would really look very luxurious. बहुत ही प्यारी packaging है. And just because of its packaging and material used, and this is like I have read that this is a dermatologist proof, and this is absolutely natural brush. So I don't regret me buying this brush for 799 bucks. But yes, it is expensive. 799 कुछ होता है. That's it. Like just because it is little expensive, that is the reason I have deducted 1 point. Otherwise this is a perfect blush. Winter season hai, there are some darker shades which you can apply. There are some shades you can use it as an eyeshadow as well. and you can use as your contour as well for contouring or bronzing. Sorry, not contouring, but for bronzing as well. There are some nude shades in that. The shade range is also very good. In all, this is a thumbs up from my side. Absolutely love this blush. Absolutely love this blush. So yes, for me it is a thumbs up. It is a Paisa Vasool blush. You can also check it out. I am sure you will not regret buying this blush, guys. I really like, this is something which is coming out of my heart, that if I have not regretted buying this blush for 799 bucks, I think many people will not regret buying this blush for 799 bucks. So yeah, that's it for this. I think I have talked enough about this blush. If you still have any further question, you can ask me in the comment section below, and if you have liked this review about the K Beauty, you can certainly click on the thumbs up button. You can subscribe to my channel for more of such authentic, without sponsored, and yeah, a consumer kind of reviews, which actually, you know, it's like कंज्यूमर ने यूज़ किया है और पैसा वसूल है या नहीं, kind of videos on my channel. So yeah, I'll see you really very soon on my next week. I'll see you really very soon in my next video. Till my next video, you all take care, and yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram link would be in the description box or here somewhere. Alright, see you soon guys. Have a good day. Bye.